So these are all the faults here. System tooling, bank 1 and bank 2. Catalytic converter efficiency below threshold. Roll the car. The fuel pump should be getting to around 58 psi, and look at it. This is just 45. It's not even up to 50. So the fuel pump on this car is weak. It's making the car underperform, and we'll be doing setting up for all the nozzles as well. So just showing you for the record. Roll it again. So with key on, it should get to 58. Stop. With key on, it should get to 58 psi. So it's not getting there. You can turn off the ignition. So the car is actually, and we would have to drop the tank to actually change the pump. So I improvised and I just opened it up from this place here, rather than going through the trouble of dropping the tank, because I noticed that there were some rust under there. So I would neatly assemble this. I had to use my angle grinder here to cut it open. So the fuel pump assembly is out, and this is the new in-tank fuel pump that I'll be putting in. It's actually high quality Japan fuel pump. This is a fuel filter. I'll put the fuel pump in. The fuel pump. I'll take out this one. Yes, so I have actually taken out the fuel pump. This is the old fuel pump. It had actually been replaced before, but with a very, very weak standard one. But this is a new one. It's a good quality pump. You can see there the same thing here. So, but this is the new filter and this is the old filter. You can see how dirty the old filter is. So I'll be replacing with this new filter here for it to be going sucking easily. Now there is this filter that is also here that I've soaked inside a solution. This solution from start is actually pure white, and you can see how dirty it is now. It's because this filter, this in-tank filter here, is very, very clogged, and the only way to clean it is actually soaking it inside this solution. You can see, so this solution will help break it down a bit, and then I will also use this carbon choke to blow it out as well. So that's going to help it can see what's coming out, right? So okay. Yeah, so this is a new fuel pump that I'll be putting in. I've already rubbed oil in this piece here. Putting inside this. Okay. And I'll be putting the shredder valve. This can cause you a whole lot of problem if you do not know what it does for you. Okay. Judging by the way they package all these things, you know that the quality of the pump is not so contested. Okay, we are in the inside. So we are going to be checking the fuel pressure after all this assembly. So you guys will see that the fuel pressure before and after is quite different. So we're done assembling the fuel pump now. So we'll be testing for. Okay, start up. Let's see the pressure. Hold on. Roll. You can see that now. You can see the pressure is above 100 psi, and when it drops to these 45, which is acceptable, because even Toyota says 35 and this is even 45. Roll again. Let's see. Start up. The pressure should go up. Yep, that's perfect. So this pump is fine. We're going to start up the car, and I believe that should fix our system tooling code. Yeah. So I'm done reassembling the rear end, the pump, the rear pump. You can see how I assembled it. This place I sealed it up with duct tape so road noise and all won't come through. So this place is assembled now, and we'll look at the live data stream. You see that we don't have system tooling anymore. So now we can look at our foil trim. Before it was giving me system tooling where it was adding foil to the foil trim because it wasn't seeing enough foil. Now it's even reducing foil because it's seeing excessive foil. So you can see DTC count 0, and you can see our dashboard here. We have a very clear dashboard. Sorry for the sun glare. So we can see that our dashboard is very clear, and our engine is steaming fine, and no longer hesitates when I try to rev it again. It goes instantly. So I think that's a fix for the system tooling code, and that's also an easy way to actually take care of replacement of foil pump for this new model 4runners.